Most Uber Black drivers, they think the money's in the fare, the tip, or maybe turning that rider into a private client. But they're wrong. The real money is in the people that are sitting back there and the opportunities they bring. Earlier today, I picked up a guy that worked at a dealership. It was a business black ride. And it reminded me of something that most Uber Black drivers completely miss. Every single Uber Black ride is a networking opportunity. Most drivers, they only think about three things: how much that ride is paying them, whether that passenger will tip, and if they could turn that passenger into a private client. That's where the thinking stops. But when you're driving Uber Black, you're dealing with a different type of passenger. A lot of these people, they have money, they own businesses, and they're executives, investors, or they've already built something successful in their life. And you're sitting with them in a private space for 15, 20, even 40 minutes. That's access most people never get. And the problem is, most drivers don't see it that way. They treat it just like another ride, instead of what it really is: a moving networking event with one very interesting person at a time. Now, I'm not saying you should talk to everybody or that they'll talk to you. Some riders clearly don't want to talk, and you need to respect that. Your first job is to read the passenger, but there is always a percentage of people who do want to talk, and those are usually the ones who have stories, experience, and insight that can help you. Now, when somebody is open to a conversation, keep it simple and natural. You don't need a sales pitch. You don't need to force your business idea in their face. Start with something: are you in town for work or are you just visiting? Then maybe, what line of work are you in? Or how did you get into that? Most successful people actually like talking about what they do and how they got there. Your goal is to listen more than you talk. And here's where most drivers miss the real value. They think the only things a passenger can give them are a fare, a tip, or maybe some rides off the app. But the real value, that might be what they know, who they know, or an opportunity they don't even realize they're opening up for you. You might hear something about their industry that gives you an idea later. You might meet somebody who needs exactly what you're trying to build. You might meet someone who can connect you with the right person or even back something financially. That doesn't mean every ride is going to turn into some life-changing deal. It just means stop treating these people like they're only worth the price of the trip. For example, I was talking with somebody at the dealership about the business, some ideas, and just from one conversation turned into potential ways for both of us and that dealership to make more money. I didn't even share anything about what I'm working on, just enough to open that door. That's the mindset you need to start having with Uber Black. So here's a simple way to approach it the next time that you're driving Uber Black. Number one, read that passenger. If they don't want to talk, well, leave them alone. Number two, if they are open, start with a light, normal conversation. 3, ask 1 or 2 open-ended questions about what they do. Then 4, listen more than you talk. Don't try to impress them, try to learn from them. And last, if a real connection is there, let it grow naturally. You don't have to close anything in the car. Your car is more than just transportation. For the right rider, it's a place where they can finally slow down, relax, talk, and you're right there with them. One good connection can be worth more than 1,000 rides. So if you're driving Uber Black and you're only thinking about fares and tips, you're leaving a lot on the table. Start thinking bigger.